It's only been a year since ChatGPT launched and brought generative AI into the spotlight, and businesses have been racing to incorporate generative AI into their offerings. In a nutshell, generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create content such as images, music, text, and more. It learns from vast amounts of existing data and then uses that knowledge to generate new, original material that's often indistinguishable from human-created work. And today, we'll be looking at 3 real-world business use cases that are leveraging generative AI through OpenAI's GPT-4 model. First is Expedia. Sites such as Expedia have been the bane of travel agents' existence, and with the launch of Expedia's ChatGPT offering, seems the odds are ever in Expedia's favor. The app leverages ChatGPT's generative prowess with Expedia's booking platform and recommendation engine to allow people to start an open-ended conversation that allows them to easily ideate and book their trip just as if they were talking to a real travel agent. Expedia's use of generative AI also allows them to learn a user's preferences over time, which allows them to provide even more target recommendations, leading to an improved user experience and, of course, revenue potential, as people will be more likely to book through them. Next up, we have Duolingo. Duolingo is on a mission to create the ultimate virtual language tutor, and in order to achieve this, they have to be able to cater to every single one of their 500 million plus students. Duolingo, like all the businesses we're looking at today, has been using machine learning and AI in some capacity for years. However, the recent advances in generative AI and large language models are now allowing learning innovation to move at breakneck speeds. So earlier this year, Duolingo Max, a new subscription tier by Duolingo that leverages GPT-4, was released, with its main selling points being the Explain My Answer and Roleplay features. Explain My Answer offers learners the chance to learn more about the response in a lesson, with a simple explanation on why the answer was right or wrong, and ask for examples for further clarification. This is a great step forward for learning, as sometimes getting something right doesn't necessarily mean you understand it. The roleplay feature is really cool as well. It allows learners to practice real-world conversation skills with various characters in the app, with handy and practical interactions such as ordering a coffee in Montreal or Paris. And finally, Freshworks, an enterprise software company that has supercharged its software development with ChatGPT, with their CEO stating ChatGPT cut the time it took to complete coding tasks from around 9 weeks to just a few days. It turns out generative AI is really good at writing code and is making it easier for people to develop software across the board, and the technology is only bound to get better. Freshworks is also leveraging GPT-4 to power its customer experience platform, Freddy AI. Freddy enables organizations to free up their support staff from repetitive tasks and customer queries, allowing the reps to deliver enhanced and customized service where it's truly needed, and at a scale that was once impossible for many small businesses. As we've seen through these examples with Expedia, Duolingo, and Freshworks, generative AI is not just a futuristic concept, but a present reality transforming how businesses operate. As businesses continue to adopt and integrate these advanced AI capabilities, we're likely to see a shift in how work is done, how we learn, and how we interact with technology on a daily basis. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.